Hello, we are the Six Little Birds. This is Sam, Celeste, Julia, Gabe, Mitchell, and Madeline.
Our theme is going to be around the world. This week, two of our little birds are going to play for you. First up, Madeline playing the clarinet and some blues. And after that, Gabe is going to play a song from the Caribbean on guitar.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying, hear the children crying, saying give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Singing, let's get together and feel alright. Whoa. Let them all pass all their dirty remarks. Well, there is one question I really love to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinner who has hurt all mankind just to save his own? Believe me, one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. As it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. I say and give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Singing, let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. So when the man comes, there will be no doom. have pity on those whose chances grow thinner. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation, singing one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright, singing one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright.
Hey guys, my name's Sam. I am here to introduce some cool things for you guys to do over video chat. So this is a little segment we're going to do every week, just dedicated to different household tips to help get you through this really weird time in society. I think it's hard for pretty much everyone, so we're all right there with you. But so here's some fun things that you can do with friends or family over video chat, and hopefully these tips help you out and you get to use them. So I'm a big board game buff. I love playing board games and different types of games. My favorite thing to do. So one thing you can do is play games over video chat. Some of these games could include like charades, Pictionary. You could do guess that song. Just do like a 15-minute clip of a song and see who can get the most correct songs. You could do karaoke. So you just have the words and the music up on your screen. It's super easy to YouTube karaoke tracks these days. So you look that up, and then everyone just goes around and does karaoke. And then you can also play a game called Heads Up. It's a free app on your phone. And it's similar to charades. But basically, you get a word on your screen and you can't see it. So your partner has to make you guess what word is on your head. And the more correct answers you get, the more points you get. And that, like I said, that's a free app, and you can do that over Skype, Zoom, FaceTime, all these cool things. So yeah. And another thing, you can do dinners with people over chat, whether that be a date or just a dinner party, and you can have everyone on the chat together. I recommend like setting a place for yourself with your drink and your food and have everything laid out for you, just to make it feel like a real dinner. And it's nice, you get to have everyone around you for that. And then one last thing, I am a big fan of Netflix. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it, probably though. So there's this really cool app on Google Chrome, the internet browser, called Netflix Party. And what you do for Netflix Party, it's called Netflix Watch Party. And Netflix Watch Party is this app that you get to watch Netflix on real time and have a chat up on the other side. You can talk to whoever you're watching while watching the same show. And then you can also do that on Zoom. Zoom is also a free video chat app. And if you get Zoom, all you have to do is click the share screen button, and then one of you can play the Netflix and you both get to watch it, or you and several people get to watch it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed these tips. I'm going to pass it over to Julia now. She's going to give you some more tips.
Hi guys, I hope you are all staying safe and healthy. I know that being in quarantine can be hard sometimes, so my tip to you would be to make a playlist of music that you love, music that you enjoy, that improves your mood, that gets you up off your feet, makes you want to dance, and just move a little bit. So I would suggest compiling a playlist of those kinds of songs, artists that you enjoy, genres that you enjoy, that can really help improve how you're feeling with everything going on right now. So I know a free app that you can download onto your phone or have someone help you download is Spotify. It helps to organize things into playlists so they're easily accessible for yourself. You can always listen to music that you like on YouTube, pull it up on your computer, different things like that. And if you need help, be sure to ask someone that's with you, like a family member who can help you make that playlist so you can easily access it at any time when you're feeling down or you just need something to get you up off the couch and moving around. I know it's been really helpful for me to be able to listen to some music that really just improves my mood and helps me get out of this quarantine haze a little bit. So I hope, again, that you are all staying safe and healthy and that this is a little bit helpful to you and you're able to make a playlist of things that bring you joy.